Hurricane Eta has intensified to a Category 4 storm, ahead of making a catastrophic Central American landfall. According to meteorologists, Hurricane Eta has rapidly intensified into a Category 4 hurricane as it heads towards a potentially catastrophic landfall in Nicaragua today. According to the National Hurricane Center, Eta had maximum sustained winds of 130 miles per hour. That is the conditions that categorize it as a Category 4 hurricane. It is also expected that there will be some additional strengthening before it makes landfall in Nicaragua. The forecast for Eta is that it will bring a catastrophic storm surge and destructive winds to the northeast regions of the Nicaraguan coast near the storm's eye wall on Tuesday. The slow movement that is being undergone by Eta through the rest of the week is likely to bring catastrophic flash flooding and mudslides from heavy rainfall well inland over Central America. Eta became the fourth November hurricane to reach Category 4 intensity in historical records, dating as far back to 1851. Hurricane Paloma in the year 2008 was the last hurricane to reach Category 4 intensity in November. Hurricane Eta is nearing landfall in Nicaragua, and there is expectations that it will have catastrophic impacts across the central regions of the Americas. Eta is nearing landfall in the northern regions of Nicaragua. It is expected to bring life-threatening flooding, destructive winds, and storm surges all across the region. There is also huge uncertainty for what will happen after Eta impacts Central America. As rapid intensification continues for Hurricane Eta, it is almost close to Category 5 strength, and it is still expected to bring catastrophic damage to Nicaragua. According to meteorologists, it only took 24 hours for Eta to go from a tropical storm to a Category 4 hurricane, and now it is likely to get stronger as it approaches Nicaragua. According to the meteorologists, Eta's wind speed doubled between 7 p.m. on Sunday and 7 p.m. on Monday. As at 10 p.m. on Monday night, the storm was about 45 miles from Puerto Cabezas in Nicaragua, with sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. Hurricane Eta is still rapidly intensifying, and as a major Category 4 hurricane, it will be bearing down on the coast of Nicaragua very soon, and there are also expectations that it will strengthen into a Category 5 storm. It is a slow-moving and rapidly intensifying storm, according to the latest information coming from the experts. It is the most recent storm in this very active Atlantic hurricane season. It has the lowest pressure of any storm in this season as well, and this is a sign of its strength. It is also the 28th named storm, and it ties the record for the number of named storms in one season, as far as 2005. Eta has become an impressive November hurricane as it continues to undergo rapid strengthening. And before making landfall in Nicaragua today, it is likely to strengthen into a Category 5 hurricane. The region is expected to withstand catastrophic and life-threatening conditions, including flooding, landslides, and nearly 3 feet of rain in portions of Central America through the week before the remnants of Hurricane Eta move back into the Caribbean Sea. If Eta gets to Category 5 status, it would be the only second Atlantic hurricane of that strength in November on record. It may also be the first Category 5 storm to hit Nicaragua since Hurricane Felix in the year 2007. Conditions were already deteriorating by Monday along the northeast coast of Nicaragua, and it is expected to get worse as the storm reaches land. The storm has the potential to be one of the worst flooding events that Nicaragua has seen since Hurricane Mitch in the year 1998. It should be noted that Hurricane Mitch took the lives of 10,000 people. As Eta's eye wall moves on shore, the storm will deliver catastrophic wind damage as well as deliver heavy rainfall, estimated to be 15 to 25 inches, with isolated amounts up to 35 inches in Nicaragua and Honduras. There will be life-threatening storm surges along the Nicaraguan coastline, and this is expected to be up to 21 feet above normal tide. There will be extremely strong winds, which will impact areas from the coast towards the mountains. The wind and storm surge threat will diminish throughout Tuesday, but the rain will last as the week progresses. Heavy rainfall will spread throughout Central America, where areas from southeast Mexico down through Panama could see rain accumulations up to 25 inches. This rainfall may lead to catastrophic, life-threatening flash flooding and river flooding across the region, and it may cause landslides in areas of higher terrain of Central America. Flash flooding and river flooding are also possible across Jamaica, southeast Mexico, El Salvador, southern Haiti, and the Cayman Islands. The current forecast has the storm meandering the mountains of Nicaragua and Honduras before heading north towards Belize as a depression by Friday. The track and intensity of the storm remains uncertain after Friday passes, and meteorologists will be closely monitoring Hurricane Eta. Hurricane Eta strengthened to a devastating Category 4 hurricane. The eye of the hurricane on Monday was located over the Caribbean Sea, about 85 miles to the east of Cabo Gracias a Dios on the Honduras-Nicaraguan border, and about 105 miles or 170 kilometers east-northeast of Puerto Cabezas in Nicaragua. At that time on Monday, Hurricane Eta was moving towards the west at 9 miles per hour or 15 kilometers per hour. It had a slower motion towards the west-southwest, and this is also forecast to continue as it progresses on Tuesday. The forecast tracked the center of Eta is expected to approach the northeastern coast of Nicaragua today and make landfall within the hurricane warning area in Nicaragua today as well. The center of Eta is forecast to move farther inland over the northern Nicaraguan border through Wednesday night. According to the National Hurricane Center, data indicates that Eta continues to rapidly strengthen. It currently has maximum sustained winds that have increased to near 120 miles per hour with higher gusts. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 25 miles or 35 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outwards up to 115 miles or 185 kilometers. It is expected to continue to strengthen as it reaches the coast of Nicaragua, and it will weaken after the system moves inland. A hurricane warning continues for the coast of Nicaragua from the Honduras-Nicaraguan border to Sandy Bay Serpi. Catastrophic wind damage is expected where Eta's eye wall moves on shore within the hurricane warning area starting on Monday night, with tropical storm conditions expected this afternoon. A tropical storm warning and hurricane watch continues for the northeastern coast of Honduras from Punta Patuca to the Honduras-Nicaraguan border. Tropical storm conditions are expected there by this afternoon and hurricane conditions by early Tuesday. A tropical storm watch is therefore in effect for the northern coast of Honduras from the west of Punta Patuca to the westward regions of Punta Castilla. Tropical storm conditions are possible there by early Tuesday morning. A dangerous storm surge will raise water levels by as much as 12 to 18 feet above normal tide levels in areas of onshore winds along the coast of Nicaragua within the hurricane warning area, and there will be 3 to 5 feet above normal tide levels along the coast of Honduras within the tropical storm warning area. Hurricane Eta, as a Category 4 storm, will cause rainfall that could lead to flash flooding and river flooding across the southeast regions of Mexico, El Salvador, southern Haiti, the Cayman Islands, and Jamaica. Therefore, if you live in these regions, Jamaica, Mexico, El Salvador, Haiti, and the Cayman Islands, ensure that you practice all the necessary flood-related emergency management procedures. Ensure that you evacuate if you live near rivers or if you live along dangerous areas that has the potential of experiencing land slippage. Remember, please be safe. Protect yourself and your family. Ensure that you have water stored for at least 3 days. Ensure that you have food and candles and matches. Also ensure that you have the necessary things in place to take care of yourself. If you need your medication, if you're evacuating, bring your medication to the shelter with you. Be safe, take care of your family, and of course, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this Category 4 Hurricane Eta re-strengthening to a Category 5 storm as the days progress. It moved so quickly. It changed from just a system, then to a tropical depression. Then it moved to a tropical storm. Then instantly, it was a hurricane. Then it just rapidly intensified to a Category 4 hurricane from its tropical storm status. And now, the experts are expecting that it will become a Category 5 storm